Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about the present continuous tense. Let's get started. Now, we use the present continuous when we talk about something happening at the time of speaking or actions happening around now, even though not at the moment of speaking. Note that this tense also has some future meaning. Have a look at the example over here. Hey, what are you doing? I'm working on my thesis. I am graduating this semester. Note that in this sentence, the present continuous tense is used to talk about something happening at the moment of speaking and the future. Now, to form the present continuous tense, we use to be plus verb ing. The negative, to be plus not plus verb ing. Have a look at the examples below. Positive sentence. He is sleeping on the couch in the living room. Negative form. He is not sleeping on the couch in the living room, or he isn't sleeping there. Question form. Where is he? Is he sleeping? Now, when verbs end in E to form the present continuous tense, we get rid of the E and add ing. For example, like, liking, write, writing. And when a verb ends in a vowel plus consonant, we double the consonant plus ing. For example, sit, sitting, swim, swimming. And when a verb ends in ie, we turn ie into y and then add ing, as in lie, lying, die, dying. We can also use the present continuous with phrases such as now, right now, at the moment, today, this week, etc. Have a look at the example over here. I'm quite busy this year as I'm trying to start my small business. Note that we use the present continuous to talk about changing situations. Have a look at the examples below. The population of the world increases very fast. Note that the increase of the population of the world is a changing situation, and so we must say the population of the world is increasing very fast. And now, let's review and practice a bit. Remember that when a verb ends with E, get rid of the E and then add ing to form the present continuous tense. And when a verb ends with a vowel plus a consonant, make sure to double the consonant and then add ing. And when a verb ends with ie, replace it with y and then add ing. Now provide the present continuous form of the words below. Shop, shopping, study, studying, stand, standing, stop, stopping, get, getting, lie, lying, fly, flying, drive, driving. Remember that we use the present form of to be and the ing form of the main verb to make sentences in the present continuous. Now read the following sentence and provide the present continuous form of the words in the bracket. I to fry potatoes, my mom to wash the dishes, and my brother to wait patiently for dinner to be ready. I am frying potatoes, my mom is washing the dishes, and my brothers are patiently waiting for dinner to be ready. Now make sure to form questions by inverting the subject and to be, and to form negatives with to be plus not. Use contracted forms. Now read the following sentence and provide the present continuous form of the words in the bracket. It to rain outside. No, it not to rain. It's a bit cloudy, but kids to play outside anyway. Is it raining outside? No, it isn't raining. It's a bit cloudy, but kids are playing outside anyway. Now, find time markers in the following sentence. Samantha is taking Chinese classes this year. She's studying a lot. This year. Also note that we use the present continuous to talk about changing situations. Now read the following sentence and provide the present continuous form of the word in the bracket. The economic situation is already bad, but it to get worse. The economic situation is already bad, but it's getting worse. Here is a short story using the present continuous tense. Listen as I read so you can see how they are used in real-life conversation. After I'm done, make sure you understand all the grammar and read aloud yourself so that you can work on your own fluency and pronunciation. Hello, Mike. How are you doing these days? Hi, Sam. I'm fine, thanks. I'm doing an internship at one publishing house. Oh, really? Are you enjoying it? Yeah, I'm learning a lot of small but crucial details. How about you? Well, I'm not working at the moment. I'm trying to find a job in my field. It's a difficult task. Yeah, I totally get you. Well, I have to go now. Good luck. Thanks. Good luck to you too. See you. Bye. And now it's time for you to practice on your own. Read the following sentences and underline the correct phrase. A. Be quiet. I'm trying to concentrate. B. Sorry, I can't help you right now. I'm fixing my dad's computer. C. It's very warm today. Are you wearing a coat? And now, read the following sentences and complete them with a suitable phrase. Beginning, becoming, doing, or giving. A. Don't disturb Anne. She is her taxes. B. This is brilliant, isn't it? Their best performance. C. At first, I didn't like my job, but to enjoy it. D. Ocean pollution is a real problem. And now, provide answers for the following questions. A. What are you doing right now? B. Is there anything interesting happening in your country? see. Do you know what your family is doing now? And now, let's check your answers. Be quiet. I am trying to concentrate. Sorry, I can't help you right now. I am fixing my dad's computer. It's very warm today. Why are you wearing a coat? Don't disturb Anne. She is doing her taxes. This is brilliant, isn't it? They're giving their best performance. At first, I didn't like my job, but I'm beginning to enjoy it. Ocean pollution is becoming a real problem. Sample answers. I am doing my homework right now. There isn't anything interesting happening in my country now. My family is having a dinner party today. Thank you for watching this tutorial.